Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to build a WordPress website in 5 easy steps. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Whether you're creating your website for a business or for online store or a blog, so you can create your WordPress website with these 5 easy simple steps. First step is to choose your identity. So this is something that will be telling your visitors what your site is about. It is important to choose a name or the title for your site that gets the users know that about which is your website is about and how this works and all. So once you decide a perfect site name or title for your website, you just need to go to the settings, and once you just click on the settings, here you can see the site title. So here you need to give the site title which suits what your site is about. Here let's say that I want to give it to be PC Tips Pro, and you can add a tagline which can explain what is your site is about. So here I can just say about it is about some tech tutorials and tips, and we can include anything, so it depends upon like your site and what it is about. And then here we get the WordPress address URL and the site address URL. If you want to know about the domain registration and the procedure, you can refer to the videos. I'll be attaching the link to the playlist in the description. And then next step is to design your homepage. Homepage is something like a first impression for your visitors. To make it better, like we need to firstly create a homepage. Let's go to the pages, and I'm having pages already, but let's say that we are starting from scratch. So let's click on add new, and this should be taking me here, and this is my home page. So I can just give any title to this. Let's say that it's home. You can use any pre-built layouts for your home page, or else you can create your own. You can use a plugin called Elementor which can make this much easier. So here I can use this and give images, videos, text and other things, buttons and all. So you can use all these things and make your homepage much attractive and much impressive for your visitors. Once you're done with adding everything and putting everything together, you can just click on the publish to publish your page. And now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Here the third step is adding few more pages. So in order to add pages, you can just go to the pages section and click on the add new pages. So most of the websites that can have something like contact us section or about us section, about us page, contact us page. So you can just easily create your pages by just going here, and my title to this is about us. And in this, without using Elementor 2, you can just build amazing pages using WordPress. Here we have this adding a block option. Click on this, and here you can make some grid post, list post and other things. And also you can add images and videos like some text of paragraphs or list, or you can use your HTML code here to build your pages, and also the table formats and all. You can use your audio into this, you can files or videos and media and text, and you can insert some buttons or some columns, some groups and many more things. You can just go and explore what all things you can add. And also you can embed the videos from YouTube and other. You can even give some social icons and some short code and other custom HTML and everything. And here we can add embeds from different multiple platforms like Twitter, YouTube, WordPress and Spotify, Flickr, Vimeo and many more. Once you're done with the editing part and making your page, you can click on this publish button to publish your page. The next step is setting up your menu. To do this, let's go back to WordPress dashboard, and here you can find the appearances section. Go to the menus, and here you have your pages, and this is your menu. So I have a name for my menu, so I can just add the pages. So here are the pages that I have just created. I can add them to the menu, and once they are added, I can drag and drop them to change the positions of these. So this is something that is going to appear in the top corner, that is something like a navigation menu for me. Let me just quickly show that to you. So this is a menu, so we can change this by going to the appearances and going to the menu. So here we have all the settings for our menu. The final step is to add your social media presence. You can do that by going to this adding block, and here you can add your social media pages, or you can even do that with the Elementor by adding few buttons to your social media accounts, so that your visitors can be engaging with you even on those social media platforms. So that could be a great option if you could mention all the social media handles that you have. So these are the 5 easy steps that you can follow to create a WordPress site. So this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.